Welcome to Car Reviews to another in-depth review, this time focusing on one of the most futuristic and intimidating armored vehicles ever announced, the M101 Steel Reaper Tank 2026. Built with cutting-edge engineering, advanced battlefield technology, and a design that reflects raw dominance, the Steel Reaper represents the future of military hardware. Today we are diving into every aspect of this machine, from design to performance, to help you understand why it has become one of the most talked about tanks in the defense industry. The M101 Steel Reaper 2026 has a striking exterior that merges stealth technology with heavy armor plating. The body is designed with angular lines to minimize radar detection while maximizing durability against modern weapons. Its reinforced composite armor can withstand direct hits from high-caliber shells, explosive rounds, and even certain anti-tank missiles, making it an almost unstoppable force on the battlefield. Despite its intimidating weight and heavy protection, the Steel Reaper is engineered to maintain a balance between defense and agility. Under the hood, the Steel Reaper is powered by a hybrid turbine diesel engine, producing an astonishing level of horsepower that allows it to reach speeds of up to 75 km per hour on rough terrain. For a tank of its size and weight, that's an incredible achievement. Its advanced suspension system ensures smooth movement even across uneven landscapes, while the adaptive track design allows it to transition from mud to sand to urban environments seamlessly. This makes it versatile and capable of handling a wide range of combat conditions without compromise. Weaponry is where the M101 Steel Reaper truly lives up to its name. The main gun is a next-generation 130mm smoothbore cannon capable of firing advanced armor-piercing rounds, guided shells, and even programmable airburst munitions. Complementing the main weapon, it also carries twin remote-controlled heavy machine guns, an automatic grenade launcher, and anti-air missile pods, giving it full-spectrum combat readiness. With its integrated targeting system powered by artificial intelligence, the Steel Reaper can lock onto multiple targets simultaneously, reducing human error and significantly increasing combat efficiency. Inside the cockpit, technology is just as advanced. The Steel Reaper offers a fully digitized interior where touch screens replace traditional controls, and augmented reality displays provide commanders and operators with real-time battlefield awareness. Drone integration is a standout feature, allowing the tank crew to deploy and control small reconnaissance drones directly from within the tank. This extends the tank size beyond the battlefield, ensuring tactical superiority at all times. Another defining element is its autonomous capability. While still requiring human oversight, the Steel Reaper can operate semi-autonomously, navigating terrains, avoiding obstacles, and even identifying threats without direct manual control. This significantly reduces crew fatigue and increases operational efficiency during extended missions. Safety systems, including automated fire suppression, oxygen recycling, and reinforced escape hatches, ensure the crew is protected under all circumstances. The M101 Steel Reaper also emphasizes cyber warfare readiness. In modern combat, digital threats can be as dangerous as physical ones. To counter this, the tank features a secure digital defense suite designed to prevent hacking or interference with its onboard systems. This ensures that all communication and targeting remain under the full control of its operators, even in electronic warfare environments. From a strategic perspective, the Steel Reaper isn't just a tank, it's a symbol of power projection. With its unmatched combination of armor, firepower, speed, and intelligence, it redefines what armored warfare will look like in 2026 and beyond. It sets a new standard that competing nations will strive to match. The M101 Steel Reaper Tank 2026 is more than a war machine, it's the result of years of technological advancement, futuristic design, and an understanding of modern battlefield demands. From its fearsome exterior to its intelligent core systems, it stands as one of the most advanced tanks ever built. Whether admired for its engineering brilliance or feared for its destructive capabilities, The Steel Reaper is destined to leave its mark in military history. Car Reviews 02, bringing you an exclusive look into the M101 Steel Reaper Tank 2026. If you're fascinated by the future of armored vehicles and want to keep up with more detailed reviews, stay tuned for our upcoming videos as we continue to explore the machines that define tomorrow's warfare.